For the first time this year, viewers, I understand that these automobiles are qualified to be in the Concours d'Elegance, Pebble Beach in Ontario. So these are creme de la creme classic antique vintage cars in a beautiful display here in Gravenhurst. We'll focus in on 2 or 3 of them. But there's certainly quite an array of automobiles here. I think we'll keep the camera on run here and just walk you through the field. Beautiful big Chrysler here. Well, you can't help but love the rumble seats. Model A Ford. Beautiful repaint job on it. Ford Model A Coupe. And here's a real old and golden goodie.
Of the box, you know, those cast hook.
Surely that's early 1900s. I middle out on my dates, viewers. This is a 1922 Model T Ford, and apparently it was owned by Henry Ford's mistress. There's a story for you. Right next to the Ford, we have a stunning supercharged Auburn. Magnificent automobile. Very dynamic lines on it for the period. That's one stunning automobile. Convertible. That certainly wasn't your everyday automobile in its time. Beautiful white walls. Next to the Auburn here, we have a 1937 Cord. Also a very, very rare automobile.
Well, 3 months apart, I had to go with it. It was no good.
No shortage of chrome on the dashboard. Or anywhere else in the vehicle.
Is that a good thing?
Very streamlined look. Great car. We're looking at a 1912 Rio here, ladies and gentlemen, and a 1937 Pontiac Cabriolet Silver Streak with a rumble seat. Better than factory new. Well, we're told that the interior here is all original. Flathead engine. 8-cylinder. Isn't that something that that upholstery has lasted all that time?
But Laszlo says that's the mother-in-law seat. Yeah.
Amazing.
Only if they behave.
Ah, okay.
A couple of passengers in the rumble seat here.
Beautiful.
Here we have a Lincoln Zephyr. Flawless engine compartment here. Beautiful. Looks like a modified engine. Comfortable looking upholstery, carpeted throughout. And a series of sports cars here along the line. A Morgan. MG.
It's the one that Nick's man likes. I kind of like the MG. I like the more upright.
MGA here. Beautiful paint job. Austin Healey. And I think a Triumph, I presume, judging by the TR. Fun to drive that, I'm sure. Here we have a reasonably rare amphicar. Combination boat and car. Can't imagine how many people have been shocked when one of these is driven right off the dock into the water.
Oh, I love it.
That's a good party trick.
Well, you know what? I mean, I heard that.
Great to see them preserved, though. One certainly wouldn't want to open the doors to get out from the dock if you were in the water. It says the Ackroyd car. I'm not sure what that means. Great car.
But I know how to.
We're here at the Field of Dreams, viewers. Interesting place to look to buy or sell a boat. However, we certainly recommend Port Carling boats first. Certainly some nice refinishing work done on some of these boats. Pretty rare. There's that beautiful curved dash again. Possibly another pacemaker.
Yeah. What do you call it?
Not too long ago, this boat would have been contemporary. I presume now it's a classic, fiberglass or not. Clinker Bell, clever name. Lap straight gravette, beautifully restored. Wow, that's a wonderful restoration. Flawless. Sailboats. Certainly no shortage of boats for sale here.
Well, they were, but in those days, fiberglass.
Garwood's Gentleman's Racer, Dancing Queen.
Anything else goes.
Fun to get behind the wheel of that.
55.
Little Seafley, and of course Seafleys are represented by the Seafley Association across the road here. An older gravette looking in need of some TLC. A Grinnell, interesting.
It was one of the model was called a Sunflash.
Here's a real antique too.
We dive and recover.
Interesting to speculate how many cedar strip boats have been built in the last 75 years. In Ontario, there are certainly hundreds and hundreds of them. And of course, if they're well cared for, they'll last indefinitely. Great little race boat here. And a 21-foot Seabird, I believe, or a 20-foot Seabird. Certainly the place to come if you're interested in wooden boating.